Okay, welcome guys to the next Blender tutorial. So today we're going to be making a spoon. So we're just going to go ahead and add, let's see, we'll just go with a cube. We're just going to elongate it a little bit and just bring it out, just so you guys can see what I'm doing right here. I'm just going to go ahead and scale it in. And then what I'm going to do is, let's go to edit mode. Just cut it in the middle right there. And we're just going to scale it outwards. And from this side we can go ahead and press E for extrude, scale it inwards, E for extrude again, scale inwards. From this side we go E for extrude, scale inwards, E for extrude, and just scale inwards. Make sure that you're scaling just across the sides, so everything's flat to begin with. Press G, move it back, scale inwards. We go E again, scale inwards, and then E, and then we're just going to bring it out. Just bring it out to the side a little bit, E again, scale it inwards, E, scale inwards. And then what we're going to do is press A and just flatten the whole thing. And then we're just going to Control R. I'm just going to get some sides in here. Doesn't have to be perfect, but as long as you've got sides, try and get them as close as you possibly can. And then we're just going to go ahead and do another one, just so it has like a little bit of a bevel around the outside. And then just select these vertices right here. Now what we're going to do is just scoop it inwards, so E for extrude, and then we'll just scale inwards, E for extrude, scale inwards. Don't worry about going through the bottom because we're going to be changing the bottom as well. So E for extrude, scale inwards, E for extrude, and then we'll scale inwards again, E for extrude, scale inwards, E for extrude, scale inwards, E for extrude, and then scale inwards. You can have this as deep as you want. I'm going to leave mine like this. So now what we want to do, because these have clipped straight through, we want to select these vertices right here, just these faces. E for extrude. Oh, sorry. Let's select the ones on the outside too. Just don't touch the outside ones. We'll go G, bring it down a little bit. E for extrude, scale inwards. You can actually put the X-ray on this if you want to. E for extrude, scale inwards, E for extrude, scale inwards, and then E for extrude, scale inwards until eventually your spoon's kind of curved off at the end. Then we're going to go into object mode, just shade that smooth. And there's your basic spoon. So yeah, we've kind of got some bumpiness around here as well, so we could go into the smooth. Just smooth that out a little bit. You can add some more vertices in there if you'd like, but that's just your basic spoon design. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next one.